Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. This is a good one, guys. If you don't know what to get to your father for Father's Day, check this out. This is coming from Siaviala. Link is going to be down in the bio. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And here we go, YouTubers. Bada boom. Bada bing. This is a Siaviala Model N2 dual screen laptop screen extender. This has everything you need. Comes with the box. You get a landscape, a vertical. You make it horizontal and vertical. This is what you get. Monitor, USB A to C, USB C to USB C, HDMI to mini HDMI, and a portable stand. I mean, this quality is amazing, guys. Definitely can't wait to use it a lot more. I'm running my Chromebook, so you can use Chromebooks, laptops, probably MacBooks, and others. But definitely check them out. They got a lot of different kind of extenders. But this is brand new. Definitely going to show you what you could do with it and how it's easy to set up. Here we go. Of course, you get the user guide. It comes with it. Not a bad size. But it's really easy to hook up. If I could do it, you could do it. Here's the directions. What comes with it. And then the side display. And how you can change it. Extend it. So easy peasy setup. And of course, you get the HDMI right there, the mini. You can run your Xbox, PS5. Here's the monitor. Really nice picture quality. Great for movies. It's hooked up to that one right there. Boom, boom, boom. And also you get the two USBs right there. And I got it run into that. So easy. And this is a portable stand that you get also. I don't know if you guys can see it. Switch it. There we go. It's all magnetic back there. And the pump could mount it if you wanted to. And I'll show you how to use that big thing right there. Now to remove, it's easy like this. Boom. There's that part. My phone's gonna die, so we'll make it quick. And this folds. Easy storage. Take this on the go with you. And there we go. And this one right here, which is really cool. So you're gonna have to do the skateboard method. I'll show you. Carbon fiber, really nice. You gotta squeeze down. And you can see it sliding. It's kind of hard to do it. Hold on. Let me put the tripod mode in. Boom. It's gotta go like this to adjust. Here's the back stand. You can fold down, fold up. And here's the magnetic part for your back of the screen. All you gotta do, nice and easy, put this here, and you can feel it taking it like a champ. So now we got that rolling. But most peeps would probably do it this way. If I could get it at the right angle. And then have their just a little bit. Boom. Boom. We got it. And you can have it like this. Show you the picture quality. Look at that nice bright screen. So you can definitely read your TikToks, Instagram, all that good stuff. You can always switch it back. Tuck in the wire. So you can watch your sports, do your homework. Great for your home office. Do some crypto. Do your art. Do whatever it takes. So really nice screen. Definitely excited for this one. And you guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Look at that. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm probably just going to be using this little guy right here. Hold on. Kind of like that. So, see? Big guy, little guy. You choose. I think you could still. Oh, not as good, but unless you do it this way. But still, because of the wires. Here's the side. That's where USB. You got a wireless keyboard. All that good stuff. So, definitely check them out. Sylvia. Link will be down in bio. Be safe. Have a good weekend.